Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. I'm TechnoTrend, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about how to change your name on your phone on any Android or iPhone device. This works for both devices, so follow all my tips and tricks on how to do that. If you guys do like my wallpaper in this video, be sure to click the link. It'll send you straight to this wallpaper. You guys can save it and put it on as your own. It's a really good clean one. Also, I will be starting to do that from my videos. I will have a new wallpaper every video, so stay tuned for that, guys. I will be giving some more helpful tips as well as iOS tutorials, regular tutorials, and maybe some Android tutorials in the future when I have time. Stay tuned, stay subscribed, guys. Keep on liking this video. Love you guys so much. Please join the TechnoTrend family by hitting the notification bell once you subscribe. Also, I want some more feedback from you guys, so if you guys want me to improve anything, be sure to hit that up in the comment section. I can improve on anything if you guys give me some constructive criticism. Also, I will be giving a shout out to one of my really close actives. I'm really happy for these guys, so please be sure to check out these guys' channels. They are the actives for this, so be sure to check them out. They have won the active shout out. So the winners are Fluffy. You guys can go ahead and check out his channel. He's a really cool guy. He's always on top. He's one of the notification squad. Also, the next one is Pie Lover. Now this guy is a brand new one. I met him about a month and a half ago, and I'm really glad that he joined the TechnoTrend squad. I'm really happy about that. Also, one more, his name is Jerry's World TV. Be sure to check out his little Sully account that he has there. So be sure to check these guys out. If they do have channels, even better. If they don't, subscribe just to see their comments or something. Alright guys, that's basically it for this shout out. Hope you guys do enjoy it. Leave a fat like and a fat subscription to me. Alright guys, let's get started. Alright y'all, so this next step is very simple and very easy, so follow my exact instructions. Step number one, make sure you guys have the YouTube application. You guys can download this in the App Store or in the Google Play Store depending on what device you're on. I'm on an iPhone, so I downloaded it from the App Store. Just look it up and install it. Step number two, make sure you guys have a good internet connection. Either you can be connected to your cellular data or you can be connected to your Wi-Fi, so be sure to be connected to at least one source of internet. Next step, go inside YouTube. You guys can see you are on the home page with all these other trending videos. So what you're going to want to do is go to your little icon up here, tap it, go to my channel. Then you guys can see a little settings button right there. Click it, and then you guys click edit. Now you guys can only change your name a couple of times, so please heed my warning. Once you tap it, you cannot change your name after 3 months, as it says right here. 3 name changes allowed every 90 days or 3 months. So make sure to be aware of that. You can't be changing your name all the time because it won't work. That's it for this video, guys. Hope you guys did enjoy. Be sure to leave a like and subscription down below if you did. Also, hit me up with those comments. I love those comments. Love those good vibes there. So if you guys do have any for me, leave them there. Alright guys, thank you all for watching. Thank you for looking at my aesthetic, and peace.